How to install Ubuntu. Installing Ubuntu alongside another operating system in dual boot is a bit more complicated than a regular installation, but can be done by following these steps. Download the Ubuntu ISO file from the official website, https://ubuntu.com/download. Create a bootable USB drive using software like Rufus or Balena Etcher. Insert the USB drive into your computer and restart your computer. Press the key to enter the boot menu, usually F12 or Del. Select the USB drive from the boot menu and press Enter. Wait for Ubuntu to load into the live environment. Click on the Install Ubuntu icon on the desktop to launch the installer. Choose your language, time zone, and keyboard layout. On the Installation Type screen, select Something Else and click Continue. You should now see a partition table for your hard drive. Select the partition on which you want to install Ubuntu and click Change. Create a new partition for Ubuntu by selecting the free space and clicking Add. Choose the size of the partition you want to allocate for Ubuntu, at least 20 GB is recommended, and select Ext 4 inches as the file system type. Set the mount point to. Make sure the bootloader installation location is set to the same partition as your Windows bootloader. This is usually the default option. Click Install Now, and follow the prompts to create a user account and choose your computer's name. Once the installation is finished, restart your computer and you should see a menu allowing you to choose between Ubuntu and your other operating system. Select Ubuntu to boot into Ubuntu, or select your other operating system to boot into that instead. Congratulations! You have successfully installed Ubuntu in dual boot with another operating system. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share, and support me.